Hey guys, what's going on? It's Doug Reefer here, and guess what? I'm gonna scare my dog. I'll be back when he is facing the other way, and then I'll run up to him and go, Wah! Okay, be right back. This is a preview of my dog. Who are you? It's an impression. You know now I'm gonna scare you after, okay? You can't understand me, right? Yes, you can. Can you understand me? Huh? Can you really? Can you? Okay, I'm gonna scare you when you're lying and turning around. Yeah. Ha! Oh, you scared me. Forget me scaring you. That's a cookie. Oh, wow. Nope. Yeah, have the cookie. Oh, you good boy. Oh, well, that's a fail. He scared me.